Today is move-in day. I cannot wait to show you a completed house all ready for our tenant. I just gave her the keys. She's so excited. She's going to surprise our kids tonight so that they can see the house. They don't even know that tonight's the night that they're moving in. I wanted to give you guys some updates. It's getting harder to buy houses in Detroit where there's enough profit for us to buy it and renovate it and sell it to an investor. So if you are interested in buying a house like this one that is turnkey, which means it's rented, it's renovated, rented, and making money already. If you want to buy a house like that from us, you better get on my waiting list. So I've been doing some of my own marketing, trying to find more houses to buy. We cannot buy them all, so I'm sharing those. So be sure you are subscribed to my channel and you'll see the other houses that we sadly have to pass up because there's just too many in Detroit. But there's lots of great deals out there if you are interested in buying one what's called off market, meaning it's not necessarily listed on the MLS, it's just owner to owner. So subscribe below and watch for those. This is part of my playlist where I made a few of the whole renovation of this house. So be sure you check it out from the before all the way to the end. And here is this neighborhood, which is pretty exciting. It's a neighborhood that has some new builds in it. And it's got a nice big vacant lot. And I was just told right there has the best you buy, we fry. I don't know if it's chicken, fish, I'm not really sure. But I heard it's like the absolute best. So let's go ahead and get inside and see how it is.